Hi, my name is Jamie Stewart, and I'm the president of Mega Media Factory, and I'm here today to show you how to link Wirecast and Zoom virtual meetings. On my screen, I have Wirecast open, and I have Zoom open as well. And the first step I'm going to do is actually inside of Wirecast, I'm going to add a camera. And I actually have some network cameras, and we're going to just select one of our Lumens VC-A50PN NDI cameras, and that will load. And in order to bring that actually to live, I'm just going to hit the return button. So now I have video coming out of Wirecast. The other thing I'm going to do real quick is I'm just going to make an overlay. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to click on overlays, I'm going to click on title and hit add. And I'm just going to select a title. What I'm going to do is come in here and actually add my name, my title, and then finally I'm going to take this other little title and I'm going to hide it. So now I have two elements that I can bring up or hide. In order to start the actual virtual camera to get the video from Wirecast into Zoom, it's very easy. You just have to go to Outputs, Virtual Camera Out, and you have a couple options. Right now we're selected at HD 720p, which is what I would recommend. The other option is flip video horizontally. That may or may not be selected depending on what your setup is. But all you have to do is hit start. At this point, video is now coming out of Wirecast into your computer. Inside of Zoom, all I have to do is start a new meeting, and there's one selection. If you come to video settings, under video settings, you can select your camera. It's either going to be your internal camera, or for us, it's the Wirecast virtual camera. I'm going to enable HD and then mirror my display. So now I have a video coming from Wirecast into Zoom. And I can show you if I actually add a title to it, you're going to see that it's actually backwards. And it shows backwards on our screen because we flipped it, but it will show regularly on the far side of Zoom meetings. So now you can actually use Wirecast to produce the entire video, send it to Zoom, and you're good to go. Don't let your virtual meetings suffer in terms of quality just because we're now quarantined because of COVID-19 or coronavirus. Visit us online at coronaviruslive.stream in order to purchase your version of Wirecast today.